Hey, my dear Tikonka family, hope you're doing great. So, today in this video, we will be learning the top 5 manual as well as AI automation bug hunting tools. So, before starting, I just want to show you one meme which I found funny. The difference between manual testing and automation testing. No comments, okay? So, first one, manual pen testing methodology, which we follow usually. First one is a Recon. We will find a target, then we will scan for it, and we will exploit, and we will do post exploitation, change the bugs and all. Next is a report to the particular target. Let's discuss about top 5 hottest manual pen testing tools in the for manual hunting. So first and foremost is burp suit. I haven't mentioned here, but it still gains one important place in manual hunting. So after that, it will come Katana. So what is this? It is a next generation crawling tool. So you can download it in from the GitHub itself. So why it's hot? It handles so most of the current websites are dependent on JavaScript, right? So this Katana tool acts as a better crawler for a JavaScript applications. So you can try it on your own. Next is authorize. So this is a burp suit extension. There are thousands and millions of extensions in the burp suit. But why I am recommending only this as my first priority is assume, for example, you have logged in from the administrator privilege account and you are performing some tasks. So in the back end, if you are using this authorized burp suite extension, it will try to send the request from the lower privilege user. So this extension can be useful for a privilege escalation as well as a IDOR accounts. See here why it's hot means you browse the app with high privilege and it silently resends those exact requests with low privilege session in the background as I said. Next is Kaido. So most of the people think that burp suit is heavy. Sometimes it will lag and it will consume too much RAM. But this Kaido is a lightweight tool, so you can perform the high task on the heavy applications. So you can also try this, right? Yes, as well as I explained here, I have included in the point. Next is Arjun. So most of the people have already used this tool, but I'm just telling you. Arjun is a HTTP parameter discovery tool. It is also available in a GitHub. So why it is useful? It can find dozens of hidden parameters, right? Why do we need parameters? Just discovering one parameter, we can try hide or SQL injection, XSS, RC, etc., etc., command injection, etc. So the parameter discovery plays a crucial role in manual hunting. Next is JS loose. So it is for a deep JavaScript analysis. It extracts the URL, secrets, and interesting bits based on how the code is structured. So you can also use this. Next is AI powered bug hunting. So when you compare with the manual hunting, it is this AI powered bug hunting methodologies are far different, right? So first you will give the target as an input. Next is it will do auto crawling. it will do LLM analysis, it will do fuzzing, and it will triage the bug, and it will rank the bug according to the priority like P1 or P2 or P3, etc. Next is it will generate a report. This is what the most of the AI tools are following. For example, Claude's Mythos at present is one of the powerful AI, right? So those all follows the same methodology. So let's discuss about top 5 coolest AI automation pen testing tools. Here I'm mentioning the AI automation tools which we normal people can access. It can be a paid as well as a free version. Okay, I have not included the my tools and all because it is not available for us, right? First one is Xbo, the exploit first agent. So why it's cool? It uses the multi agents in it. So like if one agent is doing recon or auto crawling, and another agent will do the triage and ranking, and another agent generate the reports. So, and one more point is if it thinks there is a SQLI injection, if it finds a one parameter, it will automatically generate a code or a payload to execute the SQLI injection. Next is Pentest GPT. So most of the CTF players are using this more. So what is it? It acts as a second brain. So if you feed your terminal output or else burp suit history, it will suggest you which is the next step you can take to solve this question or to exploit a vulnerability. And the best thing is it is an open source assistant, so you can use it for freely. Next is Pen Legend. So this is an orchestration tool. This tool contains 200 plus security tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Burpsuit. Your work is just to give the target. Okay, if you give a target to Pen Legend, it will automatically decide which tool should I use for this phase. For example, for Recon phase, which tool should I use, and for exploitation which tool I should I use. It will automatically decide and execute it. Next is Kaido AI and Burp AI. Most of the people, of course, we also use the Burp suit Kaido, but for basic task, right? We just intercept the request, we'll change, we will send to the repeater, intruder, etc. But these tools also have a specialized AI, embedded assistants. So how can be it helpful means this allows you to minify JavaScript files, and you can just prompt it like what is the logic of this particular web page, and can you find a hidden API endpoint in this code. It will give you the answer within a second. Next is Kali MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol for Kali. So what is this? It allows the LLMs like GPT or Claude to directly execute commands in your Kali Linux, of course, in a Dockerized Kali environment. For example, if I just prompt like perform a stealthy recon on this IP and report back any interesting service version means it will directly type the nmap command, and if there is any interesting services it will report back to me. Okay, so this is the next level hunting, so you can try it, right? So that's it for today, guys. For if you have any suggestion for the next video topic, please comment it down. Thank you.